Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have funds, now open the Play Store and act. Sign into the account that holds the balance. Make sure your payment profile matches the country of the balance. Once done, tap your profile icon, then choose Payments and Subscriptions. You need to view payment methods to see your Google Play balance displayed. This step links the balance to purchases. It doesn't require adding a credit card. Proceed immediately to pick an item you want to buy. Now pick what you want, an app, book, subscription, or in-app item, and go to its purchase page. Tap Buy or Subscribe. When the payment sheet appears, choose Payment Methods and select Google Play Balance as primary. If the balance covers the full price, complete the purchase instantly. If it's less, make sure to combine it with a saved card or redeem a gift code. Tap Add Payment Method, then follow prompts. This makes the transaction seamless and uses your balance first. Finish by confirming the charge and tapping Purchase. You'll get an email receipt and see the order and Play order history. For subscriptions, make sure the renewal payment method lists Google Play Balance or a backup card to prevent service interruption. If the balance isn't applied, clear the Play Store cache, sign out and sign back in, then retry. Alternatively, redeem any gift code first. If problems persist, contact Google Play Support for account-specific help and mention your transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.